So the transmission of a document for service, the convention would be engaged where it is the transmission of the document needs to go from one contracting party to another contracting party. So it's not about where the defendant is domiciled, it's about the place for service. The documents need to be judicial or extrajudicial in nature. And so an example of a judicial document is a writ of summons. An example of a non-judicial document or an extrajudicial document is a document that's not directly related to court proceedings. That could be a demand for payment, for example. The scope is for civil or commercial matters, and this has been looked at by the Special Commission a number of times, and the Special Commission has agreed that civil or commercial should be interpreted liberally. The address of the person to be served must also be known. I mentioned at the beginning that the Service Convention has a number of different channels of transmission. And here on my screen, you can see the main channel of transmission, which is governed under Article 5. This is where the central authorities are engaged. The model form is used and the certificate of service is used. There are also alternative channels of transmission that can be used under the convention. These are diplomatic, consular, postal and direct communications, and there's also other channels of transmission that can be done under bilateral, multilateral agreements or the domestic laws of a state.